Welcome to my Car Curator channel. Today we are diving Tata Nano. Tata Motors is preparing to reintroduce the Tata Nano in 2025, this time as an affordable electric vehicle (EV) designed for urban commuting. Originally launched in 2008 as the world's cheapest car, the Nano faced challenges due to market perception and limited features. However, with the rising demand for compact and budget-friendly EVs, Tata Motors is bringing back the Nano in an electric avatar, making sustainable mobility accessible to a wider audience. The 2025 Tata Nano EV is expected to retain its compact dimensions, making it ideal for navigating crowded city streets while offering modern features to enhance the driving experience. Unlike its predecessor, which relied on a small petrol engine, the new Nano will be powered by an electric motor and a lithium-ion battery pack. Reports suggest that it will have a driving range of approximately 150 kilometers on a single charge, catering to the needs of daily commuters. The vehicle is also expected to support fast charging, allowing users to recharge quickly and conveniently. Tata Motors is likely to equip the Nano EV with several upgrades, including a touchscreen infotainment system with smartphone connectivity, a digital instrument cluster, power windows, and advanced safety features such as airbags and anti-lock braking system (ABS). The inclusion of regenerative braking technology will help improve energy efficiency by recovering power during deceleration. The pricing of the Nano EV is expected to be between 5 lakh rupees and 7 lakh rupees, positioning it as one of the most affordable electric cars in India. Given Tata Motors' success with EVs like the Nexon EV and Tiago EV, the Nano EV could further strengthen the company's foothold in the growing electric vehicle market. Although Tata Motors has not yet officially confirmed all specifications or the exact launch date, industry experts believe that the Nano EV will be a game changer, making electric mobility more accessible for the masses. The reintroduction of the Nano as an electric vehicle aligns with India's push towards sustainable transportation and reduced carbon emission. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my Car Curator channel.